Mastering colons. Fixing run-on sentences. Hello learners. Today we're going to focus on an exciting topic in English grammar. Fixing run-on sentences using colons. A run-on sentence is a common mistake that even native English speakers make, but thankfully, there's a simple tool you can use to fix them. The colon. Let's delve into it. A run-on sentence is a sentence in which two or more independent clauses, complete sentences, are joined without appropriate punctuation or conjunction. Here's an example. I love watching movies. I go to the cinema every weekend. The sentence above contains two independent clauses. I love watching movies, and I go to the cinema every weekend, but they are incorrectly joined together. A colon is a punctuation mark consisting of two equally sized dots centered on the same vertical line, smiley face. It is used to introduce a list, a quote, an explanation, an example, or a series. When it comes to fixing run-on sentences, a colon can be used to connect two closely related independent clauses, where the second explains or expands on the first. Let's go back to our run-on sentence example from section 1. I love watching movies. I go to the cinema every weekend. Using a colon, we can fix this run-on sentence. I love watching movies. I go to the cinema every weekend. In the sentence above, the clause after the colon, I go to the cinema every weekend, explains why the speaker loves watching movies. Thus it is logically connected to the first clause. It's important to remember that the part before the colon must be a complete sentence, but the part after the colon does not need to be. And there you have it. Now you know how to fix run-on sentences using colons. Keep practicing this technique, and you'll soon see improvements in your writing. Thank you for watching, and always remember, mastering a language is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, gets you closer to your goal. Happy learning!